Now, companies today are already well underway with adapting and taking a page from nature. This is not just some grand vision. For actually about 10, 20 years now, companies have been using biomimicry to design their products. Maybe you might even be wearing some clothes or Velcro today that has been actually designed using inspiration from nature. From wind turbines to medical devices and shoes and so many other products, companies have been using the wisdom of the natural world to design their products for decades. But now what we're starting to see is the emergence of AI in this design process. When Airbus set out to redesign their airplane partition that separates, the cabin from the galley, they didn't just pick a lighter material. They used generative AI to ask nature. And they trained this AI on slime molds, believe it or not, a very, very proto-organism, but is actually one of the most efficient at navigating systems. And they also trained their algorithms on mammal bones, the incredible efficiency of weight bearing and strength and porousness. And the AI itself generated 10,000 design options, probably more than any one of us could generate, in order to iterate and adapt and adapt. And what they developed was a partition that was 45% lighter, but just as strong. And as a result, this prevents thousands of gallons of jet fuel from going into the atmosphere, and never mind the CO2 that's released from this. It's a systemic impact. Nature never just designs for one thing. It is multi-capital. It is multi-benefit. It is doing multiple contributions at the same time. What if our artificial intelligence could enable this from us? This example of just a single product is really the tip of the iceberg. The business implications of thinking systemically, designing with the natural world as integral to how we think about intelligence and the intelligences is just the beginning. When we look at the example of a tree, it is relational intelligence of all the other beings that it supports. It is economic intelligence of all of the resources and energy transfer. It is ecological intelligence, right? It is metabolic intelligence. It's all of these different kinds of ways of actually driving intelligence. And we're part of this system too, but the natural world is full of intelligence.